How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can delete Instagram account permanently. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To permanently delete your Instagram account, it's pretty simple. First, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into the account that you want to delete. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. And now you'll need to go to your menu. So for that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Then you should be on your menu or your settings and activity. Now from here, go to your accounts center, which you'll find on the top. And now you're on your Meta's account center. After you do that, you will need to go to your personal details, which you'll find under account settings. Tap on it. And after you do that, head over to account ownership and control. After you do that, go over to deactivation or deletion. And finally, select the account that you want to delete. You will see all the accounts connected to each other here. And now what you'll have to do is select the deletion option. So select delete and then tap on continue. And now you will need to type in your password. Before that, if you want to download, you can download all the information that you need. So choose why you want to delete it. Then tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And if you want, you can export the info from there. Tap on continue. So just follow all the prompts that will be given to you here. And finally type in your password and then tap on continue to delete your account. You'll have 30 days to log back in and cancel the deletion. But if the 30 days period is complete, everything will be permanently gone. And that's it for today.